Ever wondered what truly sets apart two of the most popular hardware wallets in the crypto space, the Ellipal Titan 2.0 and the Trezor Safe 5? When it comes to securing your digital assets, choosing the right hardware wallet is paramount. It's not just about storing your keys offline, it's about understanding the nuanced differences in their security architecture, user experience, and overall philosophy. So, let's dive deep and unearth what makes these two titans of cold storage unique. First, let's talk about their core security philosophies. The Ellipal Titan 2.0 champions an air-gapped approach. What does that mean? It means absolute physical isolation. The Titan 2.0 has no USB, Bluetooth, or Wi-Fi connectivity. All interactions, from signing transactions to firmware updates, happen via QR codes and an SD card. This eliminates potential attack vectors from online threats, making it virtually impervious to remote hacking attempts. It's built like a tank, with a fully metal-sealed body designed to resist physical tampering, and even has an auto self-destruct mechanism if a breach is detected. It uses a CCEAL5 Plus certified secure element to protect your private keys. On the other side, the Trezor Safe 5, while also a robust cold storage solution, embraces a slightly different philosophy, emphasizing open-source transparency and a strong secure element. The Trezor Safe 5 features an NDA-free EAL6 Plus certified secure element chip, which is a higher certification level than the Ellipal Titan 2.0. This secure element is designed to withstand sophisticated physical and software-based attacks, including brute force attempts on a stolen device. Trezor's commitment to open-source firmware means its code is publicly auditable, allowing the crypto community to scrutinize and verify its security measures continuously. While it connects via USB-C, it ensures on-device confirmation for all transactions, meaning your private keys never leave the device. Now, let's consider the user experience. The Ellipal Titan 2.0 boasts a significantly larger 4-inch color IPS touchscreen. This generous display allows for clear visibility of transaction details and a more smartphone-like interaction, making it quite intuitive for many users. Managing multiple accounts and thousands of coins and tokens is streamlined through its integrated mobile app, which allows for buying, selling, swapping, and even staking. Firmware updates are performed offline using an SD card, which, while secure, might feel less convenient to some. The Trezor Safe 5, while having a smaller 1.54-inch color touchscreen, offers haptic feedback, enhancing the tactile experience during interactions. Its focus is on a smooth and efficient user experience, particularly for those who frequently trade or interact on-chain. The Trezor Safe 5 integrates seamlessly with Trezor Suite, its accompanying desktop and mobile app, providing comprehensive portfolio management. It also supports an extensive range of cryptocurrencies, though the exact number is less than Ellipal's stated over 10,000 tokens. Trezor also offers an enhanced backup standard called SLIP39, allowing for Shamir's secret sharing, which splits your seed phrase into multiple shards for added recovery security. In terms of physical design and durability, the Ellipal Titan 2.0's full metal, sealed casing is undeniably rugged, offering superior protection against physical damage and supply chain attacks. The Trezor Safe 5, while also durable with scratch-resistant Gorilla Glass, has a more compact and perhaps more portable design. Both wallets offer essential security features like PIN and passphrase protection, and the ability to set up secret secondary wallets. The pricing for both devices is quite similar, often around the $169 mark, making them high-end options in the hardware wallet market. Ultimately, the choice between the Ellipal Titan 2.0 and the Trezor Safe 5 boils down to your priorities. If absolute air-gapped isolation and a large, intuitive touchscreen are at the top of your list, the Ellipal Titan 2.0 might be your ideal pick. If you value open-source transparency, a slightly higher secure element certification, and a streamlined experience with a comprehensive software suite, the Trezor Safe 5 could be the better fit. Both are excellent choices for securing your crypto, but their paths to achieving that security differ significantly. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.